What's good, YouTube? The one and only Tenken Gadgets is here, back again with a brand new video. And today, I'm taking a look at the Amazon Echo Studio. Let's get to it. So I got me an Amazon Echo Studio. I talked to my cousin a lot, and how this all started is, he's in the market right now for a new speaker. And he reached out to me. He was like, bro, I'm trying to get something that is not more than 200 range and has fire sound. So I pretty much gave him some speakers that I recommended. I think I had Bose in there, and it was pretty around the 200 range, but I still felt like I could do better. So about a week or two ago, I went to Best Buy, searched around, and I myself have been on the market for a brand new speaker because I pretty much have been using the Alexa, the old, was it second or third generation Alexa? That's what I've been using. So I decided to, you know what, it's time for a change. It's time for me to move on from that speaker. It's time for me to give it away. And I felt like I should get me a new speaker. So I went around Best Buy, saw a bunch of speakers, stumbled across this bad boy right here, and wow, the sound of this thing was crazy. So let's unbox this thing right now. Too bad I can't give you a top-down unboxing video because my tripod is kind of AWOL right now, so I can't give you a top-down real unboxing video. All I had to do right now is just use what I got, and I'm gonna just tear this open. I'm in my living room just chilling, so I got the bat knife. Let's get to tear this thing up. Let's see what we got in here. So I'm gonna tear this up. By the way, you hear some noise around my house. There's a camera company here for my CCTV, so you know what I'm saying, they're pretty much doing work all around. So right off the bat, look at this. It comes in this. Wow, let's take this out here. Whoa, damn, this looks sick. Look at this. Oh my god, this is crazy. Whoa, look at that. Oh, so let's unbox this thing. I like this carry. It's like a punching bag. So it's heavy. It's really heavy. I don't know the size, how many ounces or pounds it weighs, but it's pretty heavy. So what do I got here? Okay, simple 2-pin plug, and then your, I don't know if you can see this well, your female in, the male port. So regular 2-pin, your instruction manual that nobody pays attention to. You know what we do with this? We throw it away because we don't give a damn about that. We know what to do already. So that's pretty much it. So let's turn this upside down. Take this out. Oh, look at this. Look at this beauty. Look at this bad boy. Now this speaker has something called 3D surround sound. I'm really curious to know what it's installed, what that 3D is all about. So I'm going to plug this in right now, and then we will test it out. Right out the gate though, it's really like the way you can just tell that this thing is on the heavy side, and for $200, this is pretty good. So this space right here, I think it allows air pass through, so giving it that rich bass sound. I can see that already in there, honestly. And the speaker is actually the subwoofer is actually underneath the speaker. So I see that right here. I don't know if you can see it from that, but it's pretty much there underneath. You can see brand logo right there. What else? You have your usual buttons, play, volume up and down controls. I think the ring light is right there. and then you have that suede kind of finish. That is just that nice material, knowing you have a nice speaker in your hand. But the weight of this thing though, the weight is crazy. Let me take this out. I'm about to connect this thing. Where's my bat knife? I don't have time to wait. Okay, so get this open up right there. I just want to test it out. I just want to see, although I've heard what it sounds like, but I don't know what it sounds like within closed doors, and I would love to see that. Like I said before, I would really love to give you a top-down view of this speaker, but apparently my tripod, I'm having tripod issues right now. My tripod is broken. The other tripod, I misplaced the vertical arm, and I don't even know how that happened, because my office is pretty much like no one goes in there but me. But it happens. I don't know where it is at, so pretty much we're just gonna rock what we got. So let's get testing the speaker, and yeah, I'm about to plug it in, and then I'll play some sounds. I'll set it up, so when I come back, this thing will be up and running.
Hello. Ready for setup. Go to your Alexa app and follow the instructions.
So it's kind of connected right now, and it's updating. So by updating, the ring basically goes round until it gets to 100%. So pretty much it's set up. It took a while to set it up though. I don't know why it refused to connect, probably because of my old Alexa. I had to connect to the other Wi-Fi network of the 2.4G Wi-Fi. It refused to connect to the 5G. I don't know why that is, but again, let's patiently wait for it to update, and then we'll test out some music, test out some sounds, and see how that 3D surround sound goes. But yeah, pretty much just updating. You can see I settled it down on my island, and I'm sure it's going to be here because the last Echo was here, and yeah, my previous Echo right there, you can see that difference. It's upside down, my bad. Look at that difference. This Echo is pretty much retired right now, so I'm gonna give this out. Pretty much don't know who. Look at the difference in size compared to the Echo Studio. Just look at the size difference. Look at how small and puny this one is, and just look at this bad boy right here. If you could sync this to play at the same time, this will probably act as a sound woofer, and this will just be like your tweeters or something, and make a crazy acoustic melody across your house. So the best thing, if you have a bunch of Echoes in your house, the little ones, the smaller ones than this one, or the other version, I think the first generation is kind of taller and louder. This is just loud, to be honest with you. This just has loud sound. The bass is not really for that bass. If you are looking for bass, you wouldn't get bass with this speaker right here. You would not. But it's been serving itself a while though. It did the job for a while, so it's time for you to retire and let Big Boy take over.
I'm back. Just a moment while I tune your Echo to match the acoustics of this room.
Okay, I just gotta come out and say it. It's crazy. Yo. Okay, for 200 bucks, you will not regret buying this speaker right here. You will not regret it at all. And I will strongly recommend, if you want the market for a smart speaker right now, go get you some Alexa Studios, because this is some next level. This is on par with Bose, Harman Kardon. What else? It's on par with everybody, man. JBL, you just name it. It's on par, bro. Look at this thing. Crazy. Let's hear that again. Look at that sound, man. Man. Let me try something else. One sec. Let me see this song real quick. Remember who's by the fire, like the sun, and everything was stolen, and why things were never tried. Shadow of the high. Corner. We are waiting and waiting to feel love. To New Caledonia tonight. Okay, we've had our fun. This is crazy. So make sure you go check this speaker out, man. This is a raw video. I'm not doing the traditional, how I do the top down unboxing, knives, everything professional, classy. This is just raw footage. So go check this speaker out. Amazon Alexa Studio. I will leave a link in the description, and go check it out if you want to get one for yourself. Okay, shut up. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys for watching the video. Thinking Gadgets here. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe and hit that like button. It really helps my channel grow. It really helps us move forward. It really motivates me to buy more equipment and do more reviews for you guys. And I thank you all for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video, and peace.